I'd like to welcome you guys to the town of Metamora. We are here for the Canal hike. Don't know how far we're going to go down, and I'm going to tell you now, it was a nightmare getting here. Oh my Lord, let me tell you. Holy. Okay, technically the place we're at is only supposed to be an hour away from home. Now we're headed up here. We've been here before, but never to the Canal hike. So on the way up, we're using GPS, and we turned down the road, drove a good piece down the road, only to find out the bridge is out. So the GPS was routing us. Now you got to remember, we're here in the state of Indiana. We're amongst hills and everything else, so we lose cell phone signal at a drop of a hat. What we should have done at that point was backed out and went through Batesville and got here that way. That's how we did it last time. But no, we decided to wait and let GPS reroute us. Well, it rerouted us, then it dropped signal, rerouted us, dropped signal. It took us over 2 hours to get here. Oh my Lord. But we're here. Let's go ahead and try to, I gotta stretch out. My back is achy from riding the car for 2 hours. We're gonna find this canal trail, and we're just gonna see what we see. Okay? We may do it justice one day, we may do it justice today. I don't know. Let's just get out there. Let's get the GoPro 9, let's get started. Holy. Okay, once you make it to the parking lot, you gotta have a small hike just to get to the trailhead. I'm glad too, because I'm trying to work out my back. Oh, sitting for 2 hours. Now, my wife made the statement, well, I'm sure your viewers are saying, why didn't you use your wife? She's compass, right? Well, we almost got here. She made the suggestion she should have went with her own directions because she is compass. We should have came the way we came last time. We would have made it here in an hour. Now the video I seen to basically what made me learn a little bit more about the canal trail is from another YouTuber I have not met yet. One day we're going to probably end up running into this guy because he hikes the same places we hike, and we usually hike the same places he hikes. And it's funny because I mentioned this before in my videos. He could be at one place that we just got done hiking about a week or two ago. And we could be at a place he just got done hiking. His name is Muzzy Loader. He hiked this back about 2 weeks ago, and yeah, I think it is up here. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking he might have drove down this road. And that sun's already coming out and it's starting to bake. Alright guys, let's get some footage. Try to get some beauty. Let's try to make something out of this morning. Okay, we're not in the same spot that Muzzy Loader was at. He was at another spot on this canal trail. There's a couple ways to get in here, and he was at the spot we was hoping to go to, so the one he was at was right on the canal. I'm not even seeing the canal right now. We've seen it on the way in, but we're going to go up a little bit further, see what we can see. And on the way out of here, we're going to get an awesome looking waterfall that we've seen on the way in. So yeah, this is more like an exercise trail, you know. I mean, shoot, I'll be honest with you, I was hoping to, well, maybe something to change. If I wanted one of these trails, I could have stayed home and done one of these. Just saying. I know I'm complaining. Okay, I'm going to get myself in a better mood. I'm still a little bit grr. It took over 2 hours to get here. It's not my fault exactly. It's not the GPS's fault, because we lost signal. I don't know how many times it kept rerouting us. We should have stuck with our original plan. It came through Batesville. As the place we're at now is only 14 miles from Batesville, and Batesville is only, what, about 30 miles from home? We would have made it here in less than an hour. Alright guys, we're going to stop it right here. We're going to hike a mile back, And we're going to go to the other spot. I want to hike this not knowing what the heck. I want to go to where muzzleloader was at. That's the part that made me want to come here. So, you know what? I think I could start the video all over from there. But I'm not going to. I'm going to let you guys see our goof ups and everything else. It's about as real as you can get, huh? Alright guys, I will start recording. Oh, we got a breeze now. I start recording once we get to the right spot we was looking for in the beginning. Holy! Okay, trial and error, guys. An adventure is an adventure, and I mentioned this hundreds of times in my videos. We don't know where we're at. We don't know where we're going. I tried to look up the muzzleloader video to get a general idea where he was at, and I have no signal. No data connection right here. None. So what we're going to do is, so we don't make this a total waste, we're going to walk down, look at a little waterfall. Right here's the canal. I'll probably get a little bit of that on the way back. And we're just going to go from there, guys. We will do this justice again once we have better idea of where we're headed. Yes, we're not lost. We just don't know how to find where he was at. But that's okay. We still have lots of beauty to show. You ain't gonna believe this, but I think we might have found what we was looking for. Yeah. So we're gonna hike on back this way and see what we can find. So guys, adventure's adventure, man. I have no idea where we're going or what we're doing. We're just gonna do it. Okay, you ready for this? A change of plans again. Okay, we just ran into two people that we passed up earlier this morning, and they put us on the right track. At least we think we're going to be on the right track. So we're headed out of here. We're headed to Interstate 52, and there's a trailhead, and yeah, when this day is all said and done, we're going to have some serious miles in. Holy, but that's what we was after. All right, guys, I'm going to turn you off and pick you up again. Hopefully when we get to the right spot we was looking for. I thought we was on it. But he says no, this isn't it at all.
It's on the other end of the
Yeah, the other end. Alright, we'll see you all in a little bit. After trial and error, going way out of our way to get here, it took over 2 hours. Going to the first place thinking that was it. Going to the second place thinking it was it. We finally found where muzzleloader was. Let me show you, and guys, let's walk some of this canal trail. gonna probably get more of the canal itself on the way back. But I will say it now. All the trouble to get here, it was worth it. This is quite beautiful through here. Oh my Lord. It's really nice. I'd like to give a shout out to the couple that put us on the right track. This place was not easy to find. Even Compass said it wasn't. Because he told us on the way down, look for the red dump truck, and right there's your road. If we didn't know that, we would have passed right on by because there's no road. There was no sign or anything. And we would drove by that repeatedly. But yeah, we're going to hike up, see what we can see, and yeah, now that we're on the right trail, we're enjoying it. It is quite beautiful here. Wow. Now, some YouTubers would have cut out all the crap that I went through. You know, if I was them or they was me, they would have cut out all the crap trying to get here and start the video here. I won't do that. I want you guys to see the trial and errors that we go through sometimes because we're not perfect. We're amateur hikers. I don't know. Are we considered amateur hikers still? We've been doing a hiking thing for a year in October. So I guess we're still amateur hikers. You know, just like we're amateur fishermen and fisherwomen. So I want you guys to see the trial and error. You know, personally, I like to see people's trial and error. I like to see their goof ups. Well, on this channel, you see lots of my goof ups. You know, I was just sitting there thinking, oh, I'm going to show you guys this spot in a minute. If we ever wanted to, we could have walked the railroad track.
We can't.
Oh, we can't still?
No, still active.
Oh, still active, still private property.
Yes.
All right, actually, I can get that spot on the way back because I was going to get more of the canal then. All right, guys, we're going to put some miles in and we'll get back with you. Okay, we're going to go up here to this train junction and we're going to call it from there and head back. That will make approximately about 1.5 miles up, 1.5 miles back. That'll be 3 miles. Our first goof up was a little bit more than 1 mile. Our second goof up was a little bit more than 1/2 mile. So all these add up. We're going to come back here again and do it justice this fall. Yeah, so we'll go up here to this junction, and yeah, this part right here was closed. This is the part that was closed when, I believe this was closed when Muzzy Loader did it. So Muzzy Loader, by any chance you watching my video, I gave you lots of shout outs. Leave me a comment down there. If you ever want to hike with Compass and I, we're game. Maybe you could teach us a few things because you are a true hiker, my friend. Alright guys, on the way back, I'm going to probably get more footage of beauty. And then I'll get my closing thoughts at the car. So we're going to do a lot of beauty shots on the way back. I was holding off for that, basically. Alright, this will be about it. What do you think, Compass?
Okay.
I almost want to go up to the wall and see what's down that way around the corner. Should we?
Sure.
Alright, we're going to go up a little bit further. Then we head back and get some beauty. Okay, this is where the bin's at. This is what we're going to call it. When we come back this fall, we'll go further than where we just went today. But wow, look at my surroundings, how beautiful this truly is. Wow. I'm not allowed to walk in the railroad tracks because here in the state of Indiana it's illegal. So I'm not exactly on it, I'm right next to it. But here's, the canal had to break up a little bit and there's where it's starting again. And right over where Compass is at, I'm not sure how many miles down that way this trail goes. I imagine since it's all open, it could go for miles and miles and miles. Okay, from this point on, we're going to get lots of beauty. Lots of beauty. And what do you say, about maybe 2 miles back, I say?
At least.
Yeah, 2 miles back, so that'd be 4 miles just on this section alone we done. So, we'll see you at the cod. Let's get some beauty. Okay, we're hot, we're sweaty. We decided to take a water break at the bridge. Oh man, I tell you, I'm gonna put this trail in my top 10. Now, I'm putting it there for the beauty. It's a very easy trail to walk. Tons of beauty, oh my God. I can't even explain how beautiful it is. But to find this particular canal trail I'm on now is a pain in the rump to find it. I should have put the GoPro white in the window and shown you guys the way we had to get here, but didn't think about it. So guys, trial and error, canal hike, Metamora, Indiana. If you're ever in this area, check out Metamora town. It's very unique. It's one I guarantee will make an impression on you. And number two, come here and do the hike. You know? Tell everybody One Bubba Mike 1 sent you there. Or even the Muzzy Loader dude. You know? He's done the trail. And many others before us. Until next time, guys. Oh yeah, real quick. We're going to do a fish today, too. Today's actually a weekday. It's not a normal day we would do videos, but we both had it off, so I was going to go ahead and do the hike and fish tonight, but after all that hiking we've done, I'm a little tuckered. Depends how I feel tonight. But we will see you on the next adventure, which will probably be fishing in the Ohio River, unless something else comes up that's more suitable. Until next time, guys, and to our next adventure. Come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.